युती सरकार चलोवपाक थोडे भोव कठीण. हातूंतल्यान भायर सरपाक परत वेंचणुकोय जावं येता. युती सरकार बरे रितीन चलोवपाक तडजोड करप गरजेची आसता म्हण मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसुझान सांगलां. RDX खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगेज.
Venkaiah Naidu came to Goa. He said it is better for Goa to have the elections, assembly elections with the Lok Sabha elections.
Along with.
So I feel it could be a hint. It could be a hint.
Hint of vice president.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Why you should say
any other reason do you foresee that there could be early elections, like
One reason is that
differentiate?
coalition governments are difficult to run. There are too many pulls and pressures. So the best solution would have been have early election and get out of that coalition mess.
So you also foresee that there could be.
No, could be. It happened earlier, no?
Yeah.
When I first came in the assembly, my term was only 3 years. I had a 3-year term. I lost 2 years.
Do you feel in this government there are too many hiccups that are going on? That's why.
Not really. The chief minister is fully in control of the situation. But I don't know what happens behind the curtains. I really don't know that. There are things which happen, what you call the public interface, and one is that is the hidden things. Only the chief minister might be able to tell you that.
No, but as a part of the government,
No, in the cabinets and all, there is no issues. Cabinet is the government actually, and at every cabinet, it is quite a peaceful thing.
as a part of the BJP party, do you think so? There are too many political pressures on your party who leads the government here. As a part of the BJP-led government, you are a part of the BJP party. Do you feel there are too many pressures on your party who leads the government here?
What I would really want to say too many pressures, but when you have a coalition, you have to make adjustments. It is important, no? You cannot run an alliance on my party lines itself. A party manifesto is different. We have to adjust to the coalition partners. If you want to run the government, if you don't want to run the government, you can say bye-bye.